In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate eBay effectively, whether you're hunting for electronics, cars, fashion, collectibles, or more. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to eBay. You can do this by simply typing ebay.com into the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a variety of categories displayed prominently at the top. This is your starting point for finding whatever it is you're interested in. eBay offers a wide range of categories from electronics to fashion, collectibles, and more, which makes it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, you want to click on the category that catches your interest. This will lead you into a more focused list of subcategories related to your choice. For instance, if you're interested in fashion, you'll see options like men's clothing, women's clothing, and accessories. Take your time and explore these sections to get a feel for what's available. Now let's say you're interested in toys. Click on the Toys and Hobbies category. As you delve deeper, you'll encounter another layer of options, honing in on specific toy brands and types. This method of navigation allows you to narrow down your search to find those specific items that interest you the most. It's like moving through nested folders, each step bringing you closer to your desired item. Once you land in the toy brand section, take a moment to look at the items on display. Choose an item that catches your eye by clicking on it. This will take you to the item's detail page where you'll find all the specifics you need. You can learn about the item's condition, price, and shipping details. Be sure to read through this information thoroughly to avoid any surprises later. After clicking on your chosen item, scroll down the page. Here you might see a section indicating how many people are watching this particular item. This feature gives you a good sense of how popular or in demand the item is. Observing this can help you decide how urgently you might need to make a purchase decision, especially if you're concerned about the item selling out. And that's really it. With these straightforward steps, you can navigate eBay with ease and confidence. The process of browsing, selecting, and making decisions becomes much simpler when you take advantage of the structured categories and detailed item pages eBay offers. Remember, the key is to explore and take your time to familiarize yourself with the tools at your disposal. Happy shopping, and I hope you find exactly what you're looking for.